Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 7, your chapter number 6 HTML basis. So in our last video we already discussed about this introduction part of the HTML basis. So we already discussed about this, who invented this language. So Tim Berners-Lee invented this language and discuss about the basics tags. So today we are going to discuss about this more about of HTML basis in your other part. So let's start this topic, students. So basically students, you can see a properly introduction to HTML, just revise it properly. So in your, it's a hypertext markup language, okay? It's a markup language of your HTML tag. HTML is not a programming language and it is a markup language. So our markup language is a set of markup tags, and HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages, and HTML is not case sensitive language. HTML documents contain HTML tags and plain text. Basically student, you already known about this HTML elements and tags. A tag is always enclosed in angle bracket like HTML. Then HTML tags normally come in pairs like HTML, opening HTML and closing HTML part. So it's a start a tag HTML, and other than side you can see a ending a tag and means and a tag. So this is a closing tag. So start and end tags are also called opening tags and closing tags. Okay, so it's known as a opening tags and closing tags in your HTML language. So student, how to start properly? First of all, write HTML code in Notepad. Basically we already write, we will write in HTML code in our Notepad. And the second thing is to save the file with .html. Okay, so basically it's extension of a HTML language. .html is a basically extension name. Then view the page in any web browser. You can after you will complete your coding, you can see your output in any type of a browser like Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, etc. All are names of browsers. Then the purpose of a web browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox is to read HTML document, display them as web pages. Then you can see a basically simple code with HTML. So first of all we will starting this tag HTML. So it's a starting tag HTML. Then you will write next head tags. So it's a heading tag. Then after you will write a title tag. So basically we write give a name of a specific name of a title. So already written here my first page. Okay, after you will close your title tag and close your head tag. Then start your body tag. So in your body tag, it basically you will write in a body part. So any type of a content you will write here. So it's a global information channel. Okay, it's a name of properly in a inner side of a body part. Then after you will close your body tag and finally close your HTML tag. Okay, now see, you can see this properly basically output here. Okay, so what is after what you will see in output. So this is a output will be given a global information channel. Clear? So basically a starting way of a HTML, how to write a properly coding in your HTML language. Now next student, you can see this explain this tag's name. So first of all is a HTML. Okay, so describe HTML web page that is to be viewed by a web browser. Then head tag. So this is a header section, heading. So this defines the header section of the page. And next is your title. So the title tag, this shows a caption in the title bar of the page. So basically this is a title tag. So next is a body. So this tag shows contents of the web page. Will you display? So whatever you will write in a content in a side of a body tag. Okay. Then after you can see types of HTML tags. So students, see there are two different types of tags. So first is a container elements. Okay, So container tags. So container tags contain start tag, and end tag. So you can see basically, so it's a opening tag and you can say closing tag. So both, it's a pair of a tag. So it's known as a container tag. Then other than side, you can see empty element. So it's a empty tags contains start only it has a starting tag. Okay, so basically not in a closing tag. So it's a BR tag. BR is a example of your empty elements. Okay, BR means a break line. Then other than next you will see a text formatting tag. So heading elements, basically there are 6 headings of elements in a HTML tag. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, H1 is a bigger tag, then opposite you can see H2 is a smaller tag. Okay, and last smallest tag's name is a H6 tags. Okay, so you can apply any type of a headings accordingly. So all these 6 elements, headings elements, are container tag and require a closing tag. So H1 will print the largest headings and H6 will print the smallest heading. Okay, so this is the basic part of your how to write elements, heading elements in your HTML language coding. So student, next you can see a heading tag code. You can see basically coding HTML. So HTML you will write a properly HTML tag, then write a head. In a head tag you will write a title heading. Okay, after you will close the title tag, then close the head tag. After starting a body tag, and you will write a H1 tag. H1 in a global info channel. Okay, for basically example H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5, S. You will basically apply all these tags, and after you will see what is actually output will be here in your coding. So last you will close a body tag and HTML. Okay, finally and this coding. So basically this is a heading type of a coding in your HTML language. So you can see this output, student. See a result. Yes. So this is the basically result of a HTML heading code. So startingly we used in a H1 tag. So it's a biggest tag. Then opposite H2 tag, H3, H4, H5, H6. H6 is the smallest tag. So this is the basically example of a output of a basically heading code. Okay, student, class 7. So you will your today's homework is just revise this topic and revise your previous videos topic. Okay, basically introduction part in an HTML language and all this part, and after you will do practice in your HTML coding. Clear, students? You will do HTML coding in your practically way. All this coding you will apply properly. Okay, so this is your basically homework. Okay, class 7.